Hey!
It's a mango.
What do you have there?
Mango.
A mango. I figure I might as well show this too while your soup is boiling. The first part. Might as well, huh?
Might as well.
Because I thought it was interesting what you said you were going to do to this mango.
I'm going to Mexicanize it.
Mexicanize it. You're going to spice it up, huh?
Slightly. That is not good.
Yeah, yuck. What happened there?
It's a little soft. Okay. Mango?
Tricky. Now how can you cut all those little slits in there?
So when you eat it, you can eat a portion at a time.
Oh, you just eat it right out of the skin.
Yes.
You don't trim it off, because I've seen some people will actually peel it and then cut it in little strips.
Yeah, and you could, but it's not necessary. I would do that for a child maybe, but not for us.
Okay.
Okay, so that's a mango. This is a Mexican mango.
What the heck are you putting on it?
Tajín.
What is it called?
Tajín?
Tajín.
Tajín. It's a seasoning.
Here, just hold it there. Let me see it. Turn it around so I can see the name. Tajín.
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 I thought
Okay.
it was tajín. With lime.
T-A-J-I-N. With
That's the
lime.
brand.
Okay.
But basically what's in here is chili pepper, salt, lime juice, hydrated. And that's pretty much it.
Ugh. I'm not sure if I'm going to want any of that.
Come on, Joe, give it a try.
All right.
Here, I'll cut it
Now,
in.
how are you going to fix the rest of the mango? Let's see you fix the rest of the mango. Because there's only so many bits of skin on there. I want to see how you do that. Okay, so you got it in little strips. You got it cut.
I would do the other side the same way. Boy, who chose this mango?
Hey, I didn't choose that mango. You said you wanted that mango. Remember? I had a different one. You said you wanted a softer one.
Yeah, I should have gone with the one you had. It's falling apart. It's so ripe.
Okay. You put that on there.
And with this water and just looking at it. You can eat napkins for this.
Okay. Now, how do you fix that last bit? Because there's not much skin on it. So how are you going to fix that?
Normally, I just peel around it.
You peel around it and then just put that whole piece on there?
This
Yeah.
is really ripe.
It's got some brown stuff on there. Is it okay to eat that?
Yeah,
Huh?
it's not gonna kill you. See, even that I would not waste.
Okay, you can still eat some of that off the skin, huh? Ugh.
It's really good. Would you give it a try?
I'm not sure.
Try a little piece.
No, I don't know. All right, so that's all you're gonna do to that mango, huh?
I do the same with the watermelon, pineapple, oranges is classic.
What do you mean? You do the same thing. You put that powder stuff on the watermelon after you cut it, and orange slices.
Orange slices, pineapple. I wouldn't do it on anything like grapes. It'd be too hard.
Yeah.
I wouldn't do it on bananas,
Okay.
but anything else goes.
Oh, all right. So if you like it hot and just you want to spice things up a bit, use some of this stuff here.
Tajín.
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 That stuff right there. Is there any other stuff kind of like that? Any kind of regular chili powder then, huh?
You can make your own. I've done it with cayenne pepper, but that's really hot. A little cayenne pepper, a little salt maybe.
Okay, so is this stuff here like medium hot?
No, this is super mild.
Super mild. Okay. Okay. Looks like you're liking it. That's a different way to eat a mango.
You could peel it,
Okay.
but like I said, I would do that for a child, not for us. Here.
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Give it a
No,
try.
it looks quite tasty though.
It really is.
No.
You don't want it? Come on. It's really good.
Okay. All right, there you have it, folks. A mango
Mexican.
with some bite, Mexican style.
Yummy.